Good morning, students. How are you? Well, I think all of you are preparing well with safety. Okay, right. See, in the previous class we discussed in the previous video what is meant by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, and after that one example 11 I gave you a hint for that one. Hope that you have done that question also. Very good, Nana. Now coming to example 12. Keep a star for this question. Example 12 and example 13, 14, 15. All these 4 examples are most important, Nana. So let us see the 12th example. BL and CM are medians of a triangle ABC, right angled at A. See, in the question the diagram it is given to us. BAC is a triangle where angle A is right angle. It is said that BL and CM are the medians. We know what is meant by median. Line joining the vertex and the midpoint of its opposite side is called as median. Similarly, CM is another median. CM is another median. So you say M is the midpoint of AB. Now it is asked to prove. So okay, what is given? Let us write that one. Given ABC is a triangle, angle A is equal to 90 degrees, BL line segment and CM line segment are medians. Okay, to prove. So what is asked to prove here? To prove is 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. 5BC square. This is the question given to us, Nana. 4 into BL square. Observe carefully, BL square. As it is given BL square, you must be able to understand BL based right angle triangle. CM square. Now you have to observe the CM based right angled triangle, and this is BC square, BC based right angle triangle. Here you must observe 3 right angle triangles, Nana, and we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, right. Now into the proof we observe, okay, by Pythagoras theorem in triangle BAL, in triangle BAL, come on, observe the triangle BAL. This is our triangle. Okay, Nana, right. Tell me what is the Pythagoras theorem there. Yes, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other 2 sides. So you write BL square is equal to BA square plus AL square. But what is AL? AL is half of AC. So you can change here AL as BL square is equal to BA square plus CA by 2 whole square, because I said you L is the midpoint of CA. So it becomes CA by 2 whole square. Now you square that one and take the LCM, Nana. BL square plus is equal to, it becomes 4, Nana. I take 4 as LCM. 4 into BA square, 4BA square plus CA square. Now cross multiply this 4 to that side, it becomes 4BL square is equal to 4BA square plus CA square. This is 1. 4 is cross multiplied, you get 4BL square is equal to 4BA square plus CA square. Now let us take the second one. What is our second one? CM square. So we take this second triangle which is based by CM, isn't it? Right. In triangle CAM, observe carefully, I apply the Pythagoras law here. CM square is equal to, very good, Nana, CM square is equal to CA square plus AM square. CM square is equal to CM square, this is the hypotenuse, is equal to CA square plus AM square. But observe what is AM. AM is a half of AB. So you can place here CM square is equal to CA square plus AB by 2 whole square. Or you write BA by 2 whole square. Better to write BA. No? BA by 2 whole square. Now you square that one and take the LCM. Okay. I write here this becomes 4 nana LCM. So CM square is equal to 4 is the LCM. 4 CA square. 4 CA square plus BA square. Now cross multiply this 4. You get 4 CM square is equal to 4 CA square plus BA square. Take it as equation 2. We have equation 1 and equation 2. Now adding both of them, 1 plus 2. So what do we get by 1 plus 2? Okay. So observe carefully this figure, you have to observe. Okay. Right. Now 1 plus 2 implies 1 plus 2. So what do you get? 1 is 4BL square plus 2 is 4CM square is equal to, you have here 4BA square and here 1BA square. 4BA square and 1BA square gives you 5BA square plus here CA square and 4CA square. 4 plus 1, 5. 5CA square. Now you take 4 here common. 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 as common, BA square plus CA square. Okay. So we can see the first triangle, that is BAC. Now you observe BA square plus CA square, which is equal to BC square. So 5BC square. This is our example. Okay, Nana? Right. Now we go to the 13th example. Look the example. O is any point inside a rectangle ABCD. So this is also one of the important questions based on Pythagoras theorem, Nana. Important questions based on Pythagoras theorem. Okay, right. So that the question is, O is any point inside the rectangle ABCD. So let us take a rectangle ABCD. ABCD. O is any point. What is they asked to prove? Prove that OB square plus OD square is equal to. To prove, I will write the given, 1 second. OB square plus OD square is equal to. OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. Okay, Nana? So what is it given here? Given ABCD is a rectangle. Observe carefully OB. So you need to join OB. OD, you need to join OD. OA, we need to join OA. And OC, again we join OC. Okay? As it is mentioning the squares, you need to apply the Pythagoras law. To apply the Pythagoras theorem, you must have a right angle there. Do we have any right angle here? No, we don't have. So I make a construction here. I join a line parallel to BC or AD. Let it be M and N. Okay, that is our construction, Nana. We make the construction. Draw MN line segment parallel to BC line segment, passing through O. So passing through O, we have to draw a parallel line to BC, which is also parallel to AD. Okay. Now you observe here the right angle triangles. See, This is one right angle triangle. This is another right angle triangle. Okay, you can observe in that manner. Clear? Right. From construction now we are going into the proof. We write here proof from construction and by Pythagoras theorem. I read all the triangles. In triangle OBM, what do we write? OB square is equal to OM square plus BM square. OB square is equal to OM square plus BM square. Okay? And right, I take the upper triangle now. In triangle OAM, I write OA square is equals to OM square plus AM square. Now from these two, what is common for you? OM. Now let us take the formula for OM. So OM square is equal to OB square minus BM square. OM square is equal to OA square minus AM square. Okay, take this one as from these OM square are equal, therefore you write OB square minus BM square is equal to OA square minus AM square. But you observe here carefully, BM is always equal to CN because this part is a rectangle. So in the place of BM, we can substitute CN, implies OB square minus CN square is equal to, and similarly you go for AM, instead of AM you can write here DN. So OA square minus DN square. Observe carefully. OA square minus DN square. Take it as equation 1. Now I go to these two triangles. In triangle ONC and in triangle OND. So I apply the Pythagoras law here. OC square is equal to ON square plus CN square. ON square plus CN square. Okay. And similarly OD square is equal to ON square plus DN square. Now from this ON is common. Take that ON outside. ON square is equal to OC square minus CN square. And here ON square is equal to, what do you write? Come on, OD square minus DN square. Very good. DN square. From these two, ON square is common to us. Taking out, you get this one. OC square minus CN square is equal to OD square minus DN square. This is the second equation. If I subtract the first and second equations, we subtract both the equations. Observe carefully. If we subtract both the equations, what do we get here? If we subtract both the equations, see there, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, observe carefully, OB square minus CN square, and here minus of OC square minus CN square is equal to OA square minus DN square minus of OD square minus DN square. Open the brackets. OB square minus CN square minus OC square plus CN square is equal to OA square minus DN square minus OD square plus DN square. DN square, DN square, CN square, CN square. OB square minus OC square is equal to OA square minus OD square. Or transpose OD square and OC square, you get your answer OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. Okay, you must get some equality in the equations. If you don't get this CN equal and if this DN equal, you can't get your answers. Okay, Nana? Practice well. These two questions are most important. Bye.